Introducing the new Mengo MagnaSnap Mini Magnetic Air Vent Mount, the MagnaSnap mount. With its sleek and simple design, the MagnaSnap mount makes mounting your devices easier than ever. To use the MagnaSnap mount, attach one of the metal back plates to the back of your device, inside the cover of your device, or on the outside of the device case. For the strongest grip, have direct contact between the metal backplate and the MagnaSnap mount. To use the MagnaSnap mount, choose between one of two size slots on the mount and push it all the way into the air vent in your vehicle. Then, attach your device with the metal backplate to the MagnaSnap mount. With its 360-degree swivel capability, mount the device at whichever angle suits the driver's needs.
You could run into a wall or slip and fall.
Plus, the dark can be just plain scary. It makes the kiddos insecure.
Course, that's why night lights were invented. But not all night lights are created equal. The most popular is plug-ins, but who knows why. They're bulky, unattractive, and take up outlet space. Plus, they break easy. And if they don't break, they burn out quickly and need replacing like an out-of-shape husband. Hey. No offence, mate. And then there is the greatest nightlight in all of history. Introducing the SnapPower Guidelight. It is the simplest and most ingenious and most convenientest nightlight that ever was. To install, simply remove the existing outlet cover and replace it with the SnapPower Guidelight. And voila! It installs in seconds and provides pathway lighting all through your house without taking up a single outlet space. That's right, it installs in literally seconds. The patented prongs on the back of the Guidelight snap onto your existing outlet to conduct its electricity. So no wiring, no batteries required. And because it looks exactly like your existing outlet covers, you don't even notice it's there until you need it.
The light sensor turns the LED lights on automatically in the dark, so there's no trouble turning them on every night or off in the morning.
And for all this ease, you'll pay just 10 cents of energy for the entire year! And because they're LEDs, not bulbs, they'll last for decades. That's right. Instead of 25 weeks, these little beauties will last 25 years. Use them anywhere and everywhere to see what you need to in the dark. Hallways, stairways, bathrooms, kids' rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, countertops.
It's about overcoming complexity. A main component of being healthy is, are you moving enough? So we wanted to ask that very simple question and answer it with a simple product. So we came up with the Shine. The Shine is an activity tracker that's smart, elegant, and really strong. It's carved out of a block of solid metal. If you want to be technical about it, it's carved out of aircraft-grade aluminum by micro laser drills, so we've built it to last. Because it's made of solid metal, transmitting wirelessly is almost impossible. But to keep things simple, we developed a new type of wireless sync technology. All you have to do is place the Shine on your smartphone. The Shine synchronizes with your phone, communicating with the app, which is now available on the iOS App Store. Your sync is complete. No wires, cables, or pairing. Simple, and I think really cool. After studying how people use their activity trackers, we noticed the main use: making sure you reach your daily activity goal. With the Shine, you check your progress by tapping the surface. The LED lights display how close you are to achieving your goal. Answering the question, are you moving enough? It registers your bike pedals, swim strokes, and distance traveled by sensing your movements. And it's the size of a quarter, so it's easy to wear even when wearing almost nothing. It's waterproof, practical, and elegant.
Did you know shoelaces have evolved? They're called HICKIES. A new lace and your shoes look better and feel better.
Who are HICKIES for? Everyone. They work on any shoe.
What makes HICKIES so special? Once installed, you can slip on and off your shoes. You will never have loose laces again.
They adapt to your muscles' movements, making sneakers more comfortable.
They are easy to use and you can adjust the tightness.
No messy bows. Make your shoes look, fit, and perform better. HICKIES lacing system are the evolution of shoelaces.
What started like a cool accessory to slip on and off your shoes has evolved into HICKIES 2.0, a smart adapted lace alternative that makes your shoes fit like a glove.
The fact that HICKIES 2.0 connects only 2 eyelets at a time makes it possible to deliver a targeted, customized fit. The key is to thread HICKIES using our different lacing techniques. If you have a high arch, you can loosen your HICKIES or tighten them up if your feet are too narrow or flat. HICKIES is the only lacing system smart enough to be truly adaptive.